This deal was personal. Bringing those families together, it meant more than anything else in the world. My name is Sean Ramrattan. I'm a real estate professional in Miami, Florida. I love real estate because it's the most competitive sales market in the United States. I was born for competition. I love architecture. I love meeting people. It's where I belong. Story I feel proud of when the market was really and truly getting difficult, where nobody could find homes. I had a client that was pretty much tearful, willing to probably relocate to another state. I went above and beyond because the person that was selling the house hadn't put it on the market yet. We hadn't taken photos. I actually had them meet 11 o'clock in the night and pencil a deal on the dining table before it went to the market. Yeah, I felt proud because I was able to keep her close to her family. That's what she wanted. I mean, her husband, was like, well, we just haven't moved somewhere else. We can't find anything. We've been looking for probably 5 months. And I found something that was coming on the market. Photos weren't done. The other realtor was involved. They weren't willing to come out here at 11 o'clock at night. I was willing to do that. What it actually meant for them was that because she's from a family of 7 and the youngest, she could actually stay in South Florida and be close to her family. Because her husband was ready to leave and she wasn't. And now she's able to invite family over. I met them at the last party and stay part of her family instead of having to go somewhere else. They were gonna go to Texas. Even up until today, we're friends. She actually invites me to every party because I went above and beyond. Whether it's finding your first home or building a real estate portfolio, I'll get it done. You don't do anything without calling me. My name is Sean Ramrattan. Let me help you find your spot.